Oh, damn it. Okay, wait. We live in the show. Let me check. Won't drop out of here, so look at it funny. Now, tell me that ain't insecure. Constant school seems so secure. Sophomore 3 years ain't been a career. She's like, I just staying out her and do hair, cause that's enough money to buy her the new pairs, cause his baby daddy don't really care. She's so precious with that peer pressure. Couldn't for I just I just jumped the band director. I got a brand new saxophone. Okay. So this is going to be my second print, and like the main job with this print is going to be that it's about to print an array, and the array is going to be a 2D array. And the way that the 2D array is supposed to work is that let me think. Yeah, fine, fine. I have an idea. I have an idea. What we can do here is that if it accepts an array, so let's call the array, and then like save it like this, and it's a char array. So you'll need a char star, or you could just do it without a char star, I guess. No, it's fine. I'm doing it without a char star. Fine. We'll figure it out later. I'll have to ask ChatGPT later. That's ChatGPT. If I am using an array in a function, do I need to use the dereference pointer in char array and then box and box like we do with number question mark. And it says, all right, let's strip this down. You're mixing two concepts, array and function parameters. Pointer dereferencing is the breakdown. Array numbers, array 10. Okay, fine. It takes it to. If I come back, I better not see that. Okay, let's try. Let me think. If you have an array and you're printing it like that, okay, fine, I have an idea. No, I didn't. I wanted to F11 as in like take this as full screen. I guess I can't do that. No! How do I make it like full screen? I know how to do it, man. How do I do it here? Is there like no way that I can do that? Fine. Let me just strip this down, take this out, and then press F11. I swear to God, it does happen. It works. Oh, wait. I think yeah, now, god damn, it used to. Let me just switch everything off. Let me switch this off and let me bring it back and let me press F11. Oh my god! Control W, console, compiler. You're supposed to go full screen, man. Fuck. I forgot that. I completely forgot that that's supposed to happen. Okay. We go to my 25th, sixth code, which is graphs, which is right here. Why? Oh, yeah, these are Fox codes. Not this one, right? Did it open? It did not. It just sent me to a GitHub library for no apparent reason. It says that it is out of memory. I don't want to. I want my code back. I'm pretty sure it works. Like it's just messing with me or something. This, thank God, I pressed on the wrong thing. I think I pressed on a .exe file. Wait. Okay, now we need to print an array. I have the code here with me on a piece of paper that I wrote it in class. I wrote this, right? Wrote this in class. Let us print this for I equals to 0. We need to initialize I. We did not initialize any numbers in this one because it doesn't require any initialization. Like it does not require any like how do I say this? Doesn't require these things. Like it doesn't require the two boxes. It doesn't require the two boxes, and therefore it does not require initialization of variables. But this one does. It's about to be crazy on this. It's really crazy. It's going to be a for loop, which is going to look like this. Shit. It's going to be I equals to 0, I less than 201. We're saving 201, and then I plus plus, right? And then there is another loop in which you're writing for, but this time j equals to 0, j equals to 0, and j less than 201, and j plus plus, and this is going to print me something, I don't know what. Do I need to, like over here, do I need to say? I don't think I need to say what like the values for that are. Okay. And I mean, I did not explicitly say that in this, so I'm guessing I don't have to. We'll see. And then now we have to create a new line character after it prints this array, which is going to be printing this array. Sorry, afterwards. Oh my God. Okay, this, right? You can go back here. That's right. And over here, another one is going to be this, and it's a new line character. This, yeah, that's right. And over here, we go ahead and we print the array. Yeah, we print the array. But this is a difficult one. So it's going to be percent I, comma, array, I, j. It's supposed to be I in the first one because the first one refers to the rows and the second one refers to the columns. So it's going through the columns and it's printing it next to next, like right by the other side. And this is for printing. Now we need one called like something, I don't know. Let's call this function. Let's call it blasphemy. Let's call this fill. Fill is right. I think fill is good enough. Wait, fill is good enough for me. And what we're going to do here is that this fill is going to take the array and it's going to clear it as a flash, right? So it's going to take the same array, like the same sort of array. Yeah, I know for a fact that this function has a problem. I just want to know what it is. Just tell me what it is. Any wrong question mark? Okay, god damn it, you got this, god damn it. 201. Fine. So you need to reference the second one, but not the first one. Why? Printf, that's supposed to work, right? It prints I and J, printf line, percent I, comma, array. Oh shit. I'm studying C. C? Yeah, C. I'm a C programmer. Yeah, you also have already. No? Yeah, I took haircut. Everyone took haircut. Ayat also took haircut. Did they complete it? Did they complete it? Seriously? Okay. Yeah, I'm studying a little bit. I'm printing a graph. Tomorrow. What book? Atomic Habits. That's a very good book by James Clear. I don't know. I never bought it. You can read it online as well. There's no problem. Like I read all my books online. Online is difficult. Online is difficult. The best option is Kindle. Like phone is difficult, but Kindle is better than book. Dropped out of school. Always knew I had that dog in me. I had that dog in me. Genie, come back. Loops. So yeah, it works. It works. Like that was the only thing that I need to fix. This and what else? Like the IJ line. Is there a problem with the printf line? Yeah, the what do you call it? Semicolon had a problem, and now we are going to be filling it up. So it's going to be this same logic. So we're going to copy this. We're going to paste it here, but this time in the array that it goes to, we don't need this printf. And shit. In the array that it goes to, let me just, it needs to change that part to 0. So array I, and then the second one is supposed to be j is going to be 0, right? This is all that I'm asking. Will it work? Who knows? We need to actually make it a space, and leave out the middle arrays. So for that, we just make a secondary code where we're filling up the second arrays, right? Oh wait, I forgot. It's a char array, and it's like a string, but it's not like a string. So you need to mention this, right? You need to make it a space over here. You can only make one space over here because it's a char. I need to know. God damn it. Can't spell. Block while printing, that's easy. Hashtag or 219. Extend ASCII. We do not have that. We do not have that ASCII. But I'm guessing that it's going to print it anyway. So I am going to bet on my luck here. Control C, then Control V. Oh, that looks cool. And so now I want it to be a space over here. Wait, I'll clean that out. Right. I need it to be for the middle row. So the middle row is going to be you leave out the first one. So you don't leave out the first one, but do you leave out the first one? Oh my God. Okay, okay, wait, let me check the logic over here. You have x-axis 0 to 50 this side, 0 to minus 50 this side, and 0 to 50 that side, which means that for all of the integers along I equals to, along j equals to, so that's going to be, okay, so start indexing from 0 all the way to the end, but it's not starting one spaces here. And so the half of 201 is going to be 100. So that means for, see, the half of 3 is going to be the second space, right? 1, 2, 3. And if you have 4, damn it, this is kind of tricky. Let's just see what happens. Let's just see what happens here. It's going to be either 50 or something, right? So for I equals to 0, for I equals to, no. Yeah, it's going to be j equals to 0 till j is less than 201. J plus plus, and then here the array I value, we're going to save it as 50, and j value, not going to save it as anything, is equal to the block character. How? Okay, control V, and that's it. This is the logic that I want in my. Let's see how it. This is supposed to be space over here, and then for j, this is called fill, right? This is going to be like reset. I equals to 0, I less than 201. Yeah, it's 201. J plus plus, and then R 50 J. Sorry, it's going to be 50 here. I'm sleeping an I over here, and is equal to control V. This is the code, and then you just print, like you just use these in examples. So let me, right? I want to see. Okay, what do you want to see? Nothing really. Let's run the array argument. So the fill argument first, and then the print argument. So it's going to print the fill value. So we take an array of characters, and I need to tab this. Let's go to the side. There we go. Char, and we call it n. And I don't like to call it n, so I'm just going to call it graph. And we've not mentioned how big it is. Let's just say 201 because it is 201. 201. Now you do uh, fill, you call fill, and you say deal with graph, right? And then you call print and you say deal with graph. I am 1,000,000% sure this is not going to work. Yes. You really had to do that, right? For I equals to 0. So what is it supposed to be? Wait, it's supposed to finish. I don't think there is anything else here. Yeah, you need to do 201 over here, 201 over here, 201, 201. Unless it's going to tell me to not. See, it just said that there are a million arguments with that. So it's going through each and every single code, and it did not. It did not execute that. Multi-char characters found 120. Conversion from int to char changes. Where? Where? That's not conversion from int to char. How is that conversion from int to char? Is this no? The from integer to char. There was no conversion from integer to char. Excuse me. Hell no, fam. Oh shit, did I? Oh yeah, that's bad. Sorry. Yeah, it's supposed to be like this, right? The second one was the print function. The print function, inside of this print function, it goes to array, printing char with percent array. Okay, okay. So it's percent C. Fine. Yeah, I see the conversion now. So we fix the conversion. In the 25th line, this says 25th, right? Yeah. Multi-character constant. I do not know what that means. Go to the next one. Conversion from int to char. 25 again. Yeah, this one I don't understand why it's saying that. From 22, it says conversion of int to char. How? Where? Why? Fill makes pointer from integer without a cast. Okay. So function call, I did that wrong as well. We did percent %c here, right? Yeah. Function call fill graph 201 wrong. Just supposed to write graph. Good to know. That should work now. Let me check. Let's see. Please, please. I'm drowning in this hole. I'm drowning in it. Okay, 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 okay. Something happened. Something happened. I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of underwhelming, but something did happen. How is this supposed to be so off? Why is there a gap here? How did it overflow? Oh, I get it. Oh, I get it. I'm drowning in this hole. So this is a pretty oblong graph. Something happened, right? Christ died for his sins. Wait, what? Christ died for our sins. I want to get cancelled there. It does not print the box. How do I get extended ASCII? So I'm not doing this by myself. Okay, so that space, you're really asking me to do that. Really? Fine. Like the this dev C++ uses Windows H, and Windows H, I mean Windows header file, has the feature too. Wait, let me check if this works. Please, fam, please, please, fam. Did it? Did it start? It did, and it ended. Okay. And if I do F11 again, still not working. So that means we'll have to try 219. 219, 21. Now if I run it. Hey! Okay, this is slightly better. I don't know why it extended so much. Wait, let me see. Oh yeah, I remember. I did 50. I'm not supposed to do 50. It's supposed to be 100. God damn it, Shaurya. God damn it. What are you doing? Is it? Is it? Is it? Is it? I'm a beast who cannot be tamed. I am a goddamn gremlin who cannot be tamed. No, fam. I am not tameable. Okay? All that I want to say. All that I want to say. I just, I'm just the best, man. I am just the best. I just created this entire code using mostly ChatGPT, but it still was a big contribution from mine. So I just want to say, from the bottom of my heart, that I'm the best. I'm the bomb. So now, if we go in here, now if we run it, so it prints this, right? And this is slightly problematic because this is not like it's not a good resolution of a graph, right? But there is a problem, like there's a reason why this is not a good representation of a graph. It's because the block is taller than it is wide. So what we need to do is we need to print this what do you call this distance slightly farther away. So we need to change the j value, which is the column width, to 401. So column width is going to be 401. So over here, the j value up till where it's going to go at least is going to be 401. This is better because it's going to give us more accuracy. Like we know more numbers, so it's going to be more accurate. देखेगा मैंने क्या बनाया बात कर रहा है ये देखे 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 देख देखना देखना देखना। अच्छा ग्राफ बनाया मैंने। हाँ मतलब पूरा नहीं बना अभी तक पर मैंने मोस्ट चीजें बना दी है इसकी कर ही रहा हूँ यार क्या जादू करा है ना यार मैंने मजा आ गया मैंने और मेरे दोस्त ने चैट जीपीटी ओके नॉट व्हाट आई एक्सपेक्टेड um now it should work there we go oh perfect it's a perfect cross it's a perfect dot cross I'm going to try and make the rest off screen